Hello students, in my last lecture I explained you the chain rule, product rule, quotient rule, and now today we will do practice of more questions for these rules. So let us take this question. Suppose y is equal to your 4x raised to power 4 plus 3x cube plus 9 raised to power 8. Now how you are to find out the derivative of this? Obviously by applying the chain rule will do, but to solve means to find the derivative of different type of functions. First requirement is that all these formula must be learned, all these must be on your tips. These are the basic formula. Because we will compare this question, because we will compare this question with which formula can be used here. Now if we see here, it is the power here and it matches with this formula. But here when we were doing, then it was only x raised to power 8. So okay, no problem. We consider that this is the x. If we take this is x, then how will take the differentiation of this? dy by dx. What is the rule here? N x raised to power n minus 1. Means n is now 8. So 8. I have considered this is my x. The whole is my x. Now this x, if I write this, power will be reduced by 1 into derivative of this x. What is this? X raised to power 4 plus 3x cube plus 9. So it would become 8 x raised to power 4 plus 3x cube plus 9 raised to power 7 into, now I will take the derivative of all these terms, and because these are in addition, so we will take one by one, all these one by one, and we will find out the derivative. X raised to power 4 means 4, power will come here and power will be reduced by 1, and because the base is x, so the derivative of x is 1 plus. This will come to this side, 3 3s are 9, power will be reduced by 1 and constant's derivative is 0. So this is, there is no need to write. So this. Okay, let us try next equation. Suppose now we have sine square x. One is sine square x, the other one is sine x square. In the other question it is sine x square. First of all, try to understand the difference between these two. Here it is sine square x. What is the meaning of this? It is the square of the sine function. It is the square of the sine function. It can be written as sine x into sine x. Okay. And here you can apply the product rule also, but if it is suppose sine raised to power 5, and here and make clear that here in this the power 2 is only of this x, sine of x square, sine of x square. Now in this question it cannot be split like this, but here now you can write it like this: sine x, sine x, sine x, if it is sine raised to power 5x into sine x 5 times. You can apply, if you apply product rule, but product rule at a time is applied only on 2 terms, then it becomes very lengthy. So here also we are going to apply the chain. So if it is dy by dx, then what would happen? First of all power, सबसे पहले पावर का रूल अप्लाई करेंगे. तो अब पावर का रूल तो हमने इसके लिए पढ़ा है, x रेज़ टू पावर n के लिए पढ़ा है. तो सपोज दिस इज x, इसको x सपोज कर लो, ठीक है. तो उसमें पावर के रूल में डेरिवेटिव क्या था? n, पावर विल बी रिड्यूस्ड बाय 1. सो हियर आल्सो 5 sin रेज़ टू पावर 4x इनटू, अब जो आपका x था इस x, यानी कि अब sin x, उसका डेरिवेटिव लेंगे. तो dy by dx ऑफ sin x आप लेंगे, है ना. तो then it becomes 5 sin raised to power 4x into what is the derivative of sin x, that is cos x. Now if we go here, then dy by dx, देखिए we know that derivative of sin x, सिर्फ sin x का derivative cos x होता है, तो यहाँ पर तो x square, suppose it is x, suppose it's x, so its derivative will be cos, but whatever the x is written here, write down that. Now d by dx of this, to which you have supposed that it is x, so d upon dx of x square, so it would become cos of x square into 2x. Okay, let us do practice of more questions of to find out the derivatives. अब है y is equal to e raised to power sin x है, लेकिन हमें जो फॉर्मूला वी नो दैट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e raised to power x, यहाँ x है, तो वी कंसीडर दैट दिस इज x एंड अप्लाई द रूल एज इट इज हियर. तो इसमें डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है, व्हाटएवर द क्वेश्चन राइट डाउन दैट एज इट इज. सो dy by dx इज इक्वल टू, अगर हमने इसको x कंसीडर किया तो इसका डेरिवेटिव यही होगा, लेकिन अब व्हाटएवर यू हैव कंसीडर्ड एज x, उसका डेरिवेटिव लेना है. दिस इज द चेन रूल. दिस इज d by dx of sin x. So e raised to power sin x, and whatever you have considered as x, that is sin x, derivative of that is cos x. So this is your derivative is cos x e raised to power sin x. Now come to this square root. Square root में what is done? Square root of x is 1 upon 2. The question as it is, but here it was x only. But now in this case the x is this. Okay, we consider this is x now. So what will be dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 x. Now x is this 2x square plus 5 into derivative of this dy by dx of 2x square plus 5. So it becomes 1 upon 2x square plus 5 into derivative of this 2x square का derivative 2 will come to this side, 2 2s are 4. And x की power it will be reduced by 1 and plus 5 का derivative 0. So this will be cancelled. This is your final answer. Now come to this. Y is equal to log of sin x. Now log where is log? X log of x का derivative 1 upon x. So here with log it is sin x. We consider this is x. This is x. Then as per the formulae, what will be the derivative? 1 upon log x. So 1 upon log x का derivative 1 upon x. Log x, if I consider this is x, so it is 1 upon x. What is x? This is sin x into derivative of this whatever we have considered but x. That is d by dx of sin x. Okay. So this will be 1 upon sin x and the derivative of sin x is cos x. So it would become cot x. If the question is this, then first of all we'll see power. Okay. तो पावर में हमें पता है x raised to power n है, तो उसका डेरिवेटिव n x raised to power n minus 1. Now we consider this is x. Sin root x is your x. Okay. Then dy by dx will be as per this rule n. Okay, 5. Whatever is your x means sin. Only sin. This sin. Its power will be reduced by 1. So 5 की जगह हो जाएगा 4. Don't forget to write down the sin function. It is applied on root x into d by dx of आपने x किसको माना था? x जैसे यहाँ ये 5 पावर था, ये n था, तो x हमारा ये था, तो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin root x. Okay. Now 5 sin raised to power 4 root x. Now we will apply the formula to find out the derivative of sin x. अब इसको x मान लीजिए, ठीक है, इसको x मानेंगे तो sin x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? cos x. Now x is replaced by this, so we will write down this, but we need to take the derivative of this now. So it means d by dx of this. So now it becomes 5 sin raised to power 4 root x cos root x. And what is the derivative of root x? 1 upon 2 root x. Okay. Let us do more questions. dy by dx here हमें पता है tan x का डेरिवेटिव, but here it is tan x का डेरिवेटिव secant square x, but here x is replaced replaced by e raised to power x. तो ओके कोई बात नहीं, इसको हम x मान लेते हैं. e raised to power x is x suppose, then what would be its derivative? Secant square x की जगह ex into derivative of this to which we have considered x. So that is e raised to power x. So this is secant square of ex into ex का derivative ex, because derivative of ex is ex. Okay. Now come to this dy by dx. अब cot x का डेरिवेटिव लगेगा, इसको हम x मानेंगे. log x को x माना हमने, तो cot x का डेरिवेटिव होता है माइनस cos x स्क्वायर x, लेकिन x की जगह है log x इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ dy by dx ऑफ, आपने x किसको कंसीडर किया है? log x को. अब इसका डेरिवेटिव आएगा. So this is minus cos x स्क्वायर ऑफ log x इनटू log x का डेरिवेटिव, क्योंकि x की जगह तो x ही है ना, तो 1 अपॉन x में से अगर x का डेरिवेटिव लें तो इनटू 1 हो जाता है, दैट वी नो. ओके, अब इस पर आ जाइए, ये वाला लास्ट क्वेश्चन जो है. अब इसमें log ऑफ x का डेरिवेटिव लगेगा, तो log ऑफ x में हम इसको x माना हमने, वी कंसीडर दिस इज x, तो dy by dx log का रूल अप्लाई करेंगे, दैट इज 1 अपॉन x. व्हाट इज x? साइन, देखिए log x का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1 अपॉन x. नाउ x इज नाउ रिप्लेस्ड बाय दिस, इट मींस 1 अपॉन दिस इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ जिसे आपने एक्सपोज किया, दैट इज साइन रूट 2x. ओके, नाउ we will take the derivative of this, in which we will take the derivative of sin. लेकिन sin x का डेरिवेटिव हमें पता है, बेसिक फॉर्मूला तो sin x है, तो x नहीं है तो आप जो भी है उसको कंसीडर कर लो, that is your x. So it would become 1 upon sin root 2x into, अब आप इसको मान लीजिए कि this is x, तो sin का डेरिवेटिव का फॉर्मूला cos x नहीं जो भी इसके साथ है, that is this into डेरिवेटिव ऑफ जिसको आपने x सपोज किया, dy by dx ऑफ रूट 2x. तो अब ये क्या हो गया? cos रूट 2x अपॉन sin रूट 2x, दैट इज cot रूट 2x dy dx ऑफ रूट 2x. सो दिस इज x का स्क्वायर रूट का डेरिवेटिव 1 अपॉन 2 क्वेश्चन एज इट इज, सो इट इज 1 अपॉन, अब इसमें इसको हमने x माना, तो 1 अपॉन 2 जिसे आपने x माना इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ जिसको आपने x माना, दैट इज 2x का डेरिवेटिव. सो दिस इज cot ऑफ रूट 2x इनटू 1 अपॉन 2 रूट 2x इनटू 2, बिकॉज इट इज मल्टीप्लाइड विद x, इट विल रिमेन एज इट इज. x का डेरिवेटिव होता है 1, 2 कैंसिल बाय 2, सो दिस इज cot रूट 2x अपॉन रूट 2x. Students, it is observed that students they get confused sometimes that which rule should be applied in the question, chain rule or product rule. Especially they get confused in these two rules, chain rule and product rule. So that's why I have written few examples to check where chain rule will be applied and why, and where product rule will be applied and what is the reason. Look here, first is this. These are some examples I have written. This is x square sin x. X square sin x में if we separate it, if it is sin x, then sin x independently it can exist. Okay, if I take x square, it can independently exist. So it means there are two you can see here elements which can exist, which can survive independently. They are glued with each other with product. So it means when they exist alone, then they survive alone. It means product rule will be applied here. Product rule. Okay, now come to this question. If I take this 3x raised to power 4, yes, it exists alone. It can exist alone. But if I take this one, then cos is meaningless without it. Okay, cos is meaningless without any interment with it. So if it is now meaningful when it means now cos is applied on 3x raised to power 4. You need to, means if it is not written here, only cos is written, it means now the problem is on which function I have to apply this cos. Only cos is here ना, cos तो एक function है, किस पर apply करें? That is not clear. तो both of this can exist independently, but it cannot survive independently. So when it happens that one of the two functions you can see here, out of these two, one cannot exist here in the form where if it is seen alone, then it means chain rule will be applied here. If I see this is 12x, this is ex, it exists independently, and 12x it can also survive independently. Both of these can survive independently, therefore product rule. Okay, now come to next. This is x. This, if I hide it, the log x, it can survive independently, and x square can also survive independently, so product rule. If I look at this, then log and this, if I hide it, then 2 minus log x can survive independently, but if I hide this, then log itself cannot survive independently, because it is not clear this log function is being applied on what it is being applied. So that's why both of these, if I look at this and this, both of these, if we see independently, then this log alone cannot survive independently, therefore chain rule will be applied here. Okay, now I'm going to start your exercise 5.2. In 5.2 we are to differentiate the given functions with respect to x. So now y dash, in this question y dash means the differentiation with respect to x. Here we can see it is a sine function. If I suppose this is x, then what is the derivative of sin x? That is cos of x square plus 5 into dy dx of जो आपने x suppose किया था, that is x square plus 5. So it would become cos x square plus 5 into derivative of this. X square का derivative 2x plus 5 का derivative 0. So your final answer will be 2x cos of x square plus 5. Now come to question number 2. So now here y dash means dy by dx. Y dash means dy by dx. Now it is cos. If we match it with the given basic formula, then it matches with the cos x. So x is this. So its derivative will be minus sine, and x is this sine x. Now derivative of this x. What is this x? Sine x. Now minus sine of sine x, minus sine of sine x, write it as it is. Now derivative of sine x, we know that derivative of sine x is cos x, so it's done. Now come to the next. Here if we match it with the basic formula, then it matches with the sine x. So this is now x. Now its derivative will be, y dash will be cos of ax plus b, because x is now this. So I have written it cos x d by dx of this x. What is this? Ax plus b. So now it will be cos ax plus b. Now derivative of this. A is constant multiplied with x. So write down a as it is. Derivative of x is 1 plus b is a constant. Its derivative is 0. Try to understand once again. Ax is in multiplication. It is in product. So a will be written as it is. Derivative of x is 1 into 1 plus b is constant, its derivative is 0. So it is a now. So a cos ax plus b. Look here. In this question number 4, it is secant of tangent of root x. तो हमें सबसे पहले अगर हम देखें किस बेसिक फॉर्मूले से it is matching, it is matching with secant x. So we will consider this is x. So this is x, तो y dash क्या हो जाएगा? Secant का डेरिवेटिव, आपको पता है secant का डेरिवेटिव होता है secant x का डेरिवेटिव is secant x tangent x. तो अब x की जगह we will write down this. तो secant x की जगह we will write down tan root x into tangent x, x की जगह हमारे पास क्या है tan root x into derivative of d by dx of what? d by dx of this to which we have considered x, that is tan root x. Okay, write down this as it is secant of tangent root x, tangent of tangent root x. Now you are to take, because it matches with the tan x. Now it is our x, root x is our x. So what is the derivative of tan x? Tan x derivative is secant square. What is x now? Root x. Now d by dx of this root x. So it becomes secant of tangent root x, tangent of tangent root x into secant square root x, and what is the derivative of root x? That is 1 upon 2 root x. This is your answer. Okay. So 1 upon 2 root x you can write down here and then write this. Now come to next question. This is, we can see here there are two functions in division. So obviously we will apply which rule? Quotient rule, but along with that chain rule will also be applied. So here y dash is equal to, first of all I need to find out the derivative of the numerator. So derivative of the numerator, this dash, and denominator as it is minus, in quotient rule it is minus. Now derivative of this cos, denominator, and we will write down numerator as it is, that is sine of ax plus b, okay, upon square of the denominator, that is cos cx plus d whole square. Either you can write down or you can write down cos square. So now I have to consider this for the derivative now. What is it? Resembles with sine x. So now here it is my x. So what is the derivative of the sine x? That is cos of ax plus b. Now derivative of ax plus b, because x was this. So what is the derivative of this? A. As we have already done in the practice, so derivative of ax plus b is a into 1 plus 0, it means a, plus into, this cos cx plus d minus, what is, now consider this is your x. Now take the derivative of cos x. What is the derivative of cos x? That is minus. Minus means plus, because it is minus. So take minus sine. What is x now? Cx plus d. Now derivative of cx plus d, this minus will be plus. What is the derivative of cx plus d? Obviously c. Now this sine ax plus b will be written as it is upon square of this cos square cx plus d. You can simplify it yourself. Now this question number 6. In this question you can see that there are two functions which are being multiplied with each other. So product rule will be applied. So what is the product rule? Y dash is equal to, we will take the derivative of this cos x cube and we will write down this sine square x raised to power 5 as it is, plus we will write down this first function as it is, and we will take the derivative of this sine square x raised to power 5's derivative dash. Now cos, it is if we match it with the basic formula, then it matches with the cos x. अब x की जगह है x क्यूब, तो cos x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? माइनस साइन x क्यूब, माइनस साइन x क्यूब, because x is here x cube, so I will write down x cube into derivative of that to which you have considered x. So I have considered x is x cube, so its derivative would be x cube का derivative 3 outside and power will be reduced by 1. So 3x square. So this is minus 3x square. this function is as it is, sine square x raised to power 5. Okay. Plus, now after this function will be written as it is, cos x cube into now this function. This is power is here, sine square x raised to power 5. You can see that this power 2 is to our basic formula, so we are to apply the power formula. According to the power formula, we take the power here outside and reduce the power of the function by 1. So it will be sine x raised to power 5 and its power would become 1 into, now what is your x according to this? देखो ये power जो थी वो इसे थी, अब हम इसको x मानेंगे, किसको? sin x raised to power 5 को. अब इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? sin का डेरिवेटिव cos, अब हम x से ले रहे हैं, cos of x5 into, now derivative of this x, what is x? अब क्या है x? x raised to power 5, x raised to power 5 का डेरिवेटिव 5x raised to power 4. So in this way it will be written as it is, and this 5x4 into this 2 is 10x raised to power 4, and write down all these terms. So it is done. Now I am doing question number 8, then I will do question number 7. So here y dash, अब cos x is this now, cos का derivative minus sin x is this now, write down it as it is. Now derivative of this x, what is this? root x का derivative क्या होता है? 1 upon 2 root x, so it is done, minus sin root x upon 2 root x. Now we will do this question. So let us do it. Look here, in this question, first of all it is square root sign. If we read it, तो basic जो outermost formula है वो आपका square root, that is square root of cot of x square. तो हम इसको x मान लेते हैं, तो ये root x हो गया कि नहीं? तो root x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? देखिए y dash, पहले y भी यहाँ y dash होना चाहिए, so y dash is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. अब x की जगह क्या है? cot of x square into डेरिवेटिव ऑफ, जिसे आपने x माना, x किसे माना? cot of x square को माना, ठीक है. Now 1 upon 2 square root of cot x square as it is into, अब cot x, अब इसको x लीजिए, बेसिक फॉर्मूला बन गया ना cot x. तो cot x का फॉर्मूला क्या बनता है? दैट इज, उसका डेरिवेटिव इज माइनस cos x स्क्वायर, जो भी आपका x है दैट इज x स्क्वायर इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ, जिसे आपने x लिया था दैट इज x स्क्वायर, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दैट. सो इट वुड बिकम minus cos 6 square x square upon 2 square root of cot x square into x square का derivative 2x, so it would be cancelled. So minus x, this is cos 6 square x square, this is square root of cot of x square. You can leave it here only. In your NCERT board, in answers something different answer is given, because in that case it is further multiplied, otherwise this is okay if you are finding the derivative. And after this question number up to 8 we have done. Now question number 9 and 10 we have already done, in which in these two questions we had checked the differentiability of the given function at the particular point. So with this our exercise 5.2 is over. In my next video we will start exercise 5.3.